The new $40 silver price is a serious problem for silver stackers. Silver just crossed into the $40 range, touching $41 today. And while that sounds like a win for stackers, it's actually turning into a real problem. Check this out. This is from the Silver Academy, and this price isn't being driven by regular supply and demand anymore. Central banks and even countries like Russia, countries like Saudi Arabia, they're stacking physical silver. They're the ultimate stackers. They're doing it because silver is being treated like money again. That means $40 silver isn't a free market price. It's being pushed. It's being pulled by forces beyond the scenes. And here's the problem. If nations and central banks are competing for physical silver, where does that leave me and you, the small stacker? You're not on the winning side of this equation. And here in the real world, if you already have a large hoard of silver, sure, good for you. Enjoy the increase in your value as silver breaks into this $40 area. But for the rest of us, just starting out, picking up a few rounds a week at $40, it's completely out of reach. And we're headed toward $50 an ounce. We're going to blink our eyes and going to be there. It's going to get even worse. Your local coin shop is already drowning in silver. People are bringing in monster boxes, tubes, junk silver, trying to cash out with this spot price. And when supply floods the market, premiums collapse. We see this time and again. Dealers paying barely above spot now when you're selling. Think about that. You may have paid $8, $10, even $12, $14 on Eagles a few years ago. Today, you'll be lucky if you get $2 over spot. Check this out from goldbroker.com. COMEX is still running the show with 40 paper contracts for every real ounce of silver in the vault. ETFs like SLV, they're swapping and loaning silver, keeping the illusion alive. So on paper, $40 silver sounds amazing, but in your hand, when you walk into a shop with a tube of Eagles, you're barely breaking even. $40 silver sounds like a huge milestone, but behind the curtain, it's being driven by central banks. Premiums are collapsing in the retail market for you and I as stackers, and the paper market is keeping the lid on physical value. So as exciting as it sounds to get an increase in value for those of us who already have a hoard of silver, anyone new to this, picking up silver is starting to feel like picking up gold. It's just getting out of reach to really create your own stack. Well, get your own gold. I put a link down below. Money Metals Exchange is sponsoring this channel. They're holding a contest and giving away a 10th ounce of gold every month. So check out that link I put down below. Don't miss out on that contest.